Hi, welcome back to AV Creationz. It's Vinayagar's birthday, so let's make a simhasana for him. Do try this easy craft for this Ganesh Chathurthi. I'll be waiting for your comments to see what you think about this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Take a color paper and cover the cardboard box. Take thread base and cover it with color paper. You can roll thick card instead of thread base. Kundhan stones on one side. Cut the dome shape in a thick card and decorate it. Attach the thread base and dome-shaped cutout to the cardboard box. Decorate the base using stone border. Take a thick card in the shape of circle and decorate it using ball chain and let it dry. Now design the thread base using 3D glitter and stones. Take the circle-shaped card and cut the excess part. Now stick it in the center of the dome. Decorate the seat using stone border and ball chain. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you love this tutorial, Please hit like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.